Hi.
Hi, Dinesh.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Thank you for
Everything is fine here.
perfect. Thank you for being
Why
here
I can
today.
nothing going on? Everything is
Everything,
fine there.
everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'm very
Nice to know.
happy. I'm very happy that you accepted the invitation for being part of my podcast.
Thank you.
So, I would like to start our conversation if it's okay for you.
Yeah,
You are the founder of Titan Projects. It stands and it holds a big name. But I would like to know more about it. How did you come up with the idea of creating Titan projects? What its novelty, its features? So overall, what is it?
actually, it's like more than 2.5 year backstory. February 2018, when I made this plan. Actually, that was the time when there were so many scammers hit the crypto market. They come daily. You find n number of ICOs with ERC20 tokens. They bring something in the air. They do not deliver everything and just take the money from the people and just they flee away and disappear. So at that point of time, I thought that I must bring something which should be the revolution to the industry. So the first decision was to bring something unique with the use case, and the second thing was to do not perform any ICO or IPO. Understand?
Um,
So till date we did not perform any ICO. It is 2.5 year, more than 2.5 year right now. It's 2 years and around 8 months now. We are running the show at our own. Not even a single penny public funding yet, and we have delivered everything as per our white paper,
excellent.
even though like the listing to the all exchanges, 9 exchanges we were listed and everything was paid from my pocket only.
Oh,
So the vision behind this, I thought that I must deliver what I am promising to the public. Then if I'll come with the coin sale, people will definitely welcome me with the work welcome, and the collection will be on the
yeah,
high, very high.
absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely.
people will trust that if I need $50 million, I think people will trust me because they know I have already delivered so many things. So if I'll give them the budget that I'm going to spend this much of amount on 2.5 years or next 3 years, and this much of amount I need, definitely I'll get the target. That is not an issue at all. People are very positive about this because of this reason.
Perfect.
And as far as the cryptocurrency market is concerned, like at that point of time, Raven was not there, Ritocoin was not there. We also come with the SHA 256 and Grosstal algorithm. That was very perfect match for staking technology. But now time changed, and I found that the people who are mining Ethereum, and because of the higher difficulty in Ethereum, their 4 GB data cards and 6 GB data cards are not producing anything to now them. So I bring this algorithm, and now their dump machines are also working at this point of time. They can use their machine to Titan. So this
Perfect.
was the whole idea,
Perfect.
to give work to the people who are not having the mining, because mining uh, machinery is very expensive. Graphic cards are very expensive,
Expensive,
you know,
yes.
and day by day technology change. New graphic cards come, and the older version it's good for nothing. So I made a platform to those people who have 2 GB, 2 GB graphic cards, 4 GB graphic cards, and they can mine a good amount of Titan from them. And there are so many places in the world where electricity is totally free. So their useless machineries can produce them something. This was another idea, and I have seen in past 6 months difficulties on Titan coin is getting increased day by day, day by day, day by day. People are accepting this now. So I can see now mining hash is very high. So this is what is happening till date.
This is going what you have planned, or at least in this direction that you hoped for.
See, actually, this was not only the development of coin we had. We had for 5 different individual projects. Each like each department is an individual business model. If you'll talk about the family security app, that is a different business model, the big use case. Salesman reporting at itself a business model that can produce revenue and expected revenue for like 2021, like for next 1.5 years is
Yeah.
around 11 million from salesman reporting app only. 25 to 32 millions from family security app only. Now we have launched our exchange also. We have our fantasy game application as well. So there was lots of things to develop. So we took little extra time. But now at this point of time, we have delivered everything. We have like delivered what we have promised. And
Excellent.
there are two things. Either people should accept your currency as a, like crypto as a currency, or there must be some place where they can use it. If one thing like out of both is there, then definitely it will rock. So I plan in that way that I'll bring my own use case. Initially, public will use the Titan coins on our personal use case, which has been created. Like if you want to list your coin in Titan exchange, then you have to pay with the Titan coins only.
Oh.
It is mandatory.
Okay.
And
very good.
Now we are not anonymous anymore. We have registered our companies in Nigeria, Armenia, and India. Everywhere the crypto is legal, and we are coming with the bank payment gateways.
Excellent.
So you can sell your Bitcoins, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Titan coin, or buy directly from your bank account and take money into your banks directly. Just a formality of KYC has to be done, nothing else. So because that was also a hurdle. Like I had a research on Nigeria and Armenia. People were not knowing even what is crypto. It is 1.5 years back.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Not so
but
many.
Now people are turning to crypto like anything, because this is a new thing for them, and now they are accepting this. So bank involvement was must. That was mandatory actually. So we came with bank payment gateway only. Our exchange is not open to trade for public yet because that is on the final testing mode. Okay. Will take another 2 days, maximum 3 days, because now the fixation of bank payment gateway is going on.
Okay.
So we are accepting payments in USD, Euro, INR, Indian rupees, Nigerian currency, Armenian currency, maybe in Singapore dollar also. We are adding payment gateways like on daily basis, you can say. We are like writing to everyone. Even we have contacted with Western Union money transfer. Maybe we could close that deal, and TitanX will be the partner of Western Union money transfer. Like it is like it can be possible, but like chances are little less because they are into money transfer and we are into like the same kind of time of industry, but our modus operandi is different. Okay. But the same type of player, money transfer player, is in contact with us, and if we go through the deal, then you will find the crypto showrooms, you can say, in the world. We are going to bring a new thing to the world. You might not have seen any showroom of Bitcoin yet. Any specific showroom where you can go and buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoins or Ethereum or Litecoins. There is no such shop available in the world. We are going to bring that model. That is in the pipeline.
Best of luck with that. And I keep my thumbs up and finger crossed. And, I hope that it will go for as you planned.
Thank you very much. I hope everything will go like the way we have planned.
I was listening to you carefully, and I have prepared 2 questions, and I was very interested about these features, the Titan family security feature. It is very interesting. It's the first time that I heard, like there are no other projects who have created that. Congratulations for this. But
Thank you.
Give us more details, how the users can use it, about the security, so the privacy of its users.
Yeah. I'll tell you. There are premium features of family security app actually. We created this app for your family protection only, but you can use it in any way you want.
Okay.
You can use this app to track your husband's activity, where he's going, what he's doing, to whom he's talking, to whom he's chatting, and
is it okay for other people? What do you think? Like you have many users that are using this app. Is it okay for them, or I don't know, from your
Because,
point of
because
view?
this is meant for family only. So
Okay, for
husband and
family.
wife are part
Absolutely.
of family, and they are using on each other. I know.
Okay.
Basically, I made this for the kids because at this point of time, pornography is the biggest threat to the young
Oh,
generation. You
absolutely.
know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And as a parent, we must know what our kid is doing.
Absolutely.
So the
I'm
basic
totally.
idea of creation, this app was this only to protect your kids from the internet threat.
Yes.
Fine. And to track his activity, whether he is in like good company or bad company or whatever he is doing, is he like lying to you, or he is like maybe like he is in a wrong company, he's into drugs or something else,
Totally understandable.
he is hiding the things from you. But if you will install this app in his mobile phone, he cannot hide anything. So to whom he is talking, to whom he is texting, what media he is sharing, what internet he is like, what
Using
websites he is
the
using,
websites.
you,
Absolutely. Yeah.
yes, yes, you can see everything on your personal phone, what your kid is doing. But when we launched it, we found only couples were installing that to track each other.
Oh God. To track each other. Whereabouts?
Yeah,
Where are they
that was
going?
like, yeah, but like anyways, at least this is useful for them, and it will build the strong relationship, what I feel.
I think so.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah, yes, divorce ratio will be minimum, but I believe the people who installed.
But also via this app, they can also find their lost phone, right? And you can use
Even you
other
can check
services.
at what time your phone was where, which location, that is a time with map track.
Very
We have
good.
integrated Google Maps, and the accuracy is of 5 meters,
Mhm.
approx 5 meters. We have gone for the maximum accurate things. So you can even see by what time Peter was in the wine shop, and by what time he exit from there, by what time he reach home, and which route he take. Where did he stop for 1 minute or 2 minutes? So this is like that only. Every single minute tracking is there, and with the map,
I
and
see.
you will have complete map, day complete day routine map. Pure tracking, 100% perfect tracking is there. So even like there are few countries where the threat of like anti-national people is on very higher side. So one African government is contacted us. They asked us to create this app for their entire country, because there was a like liberal group and they were against the government. So they want to track their activities, and if they are like meeting at such particular place, so they can stop.
I understand.
So even government, like few couple of governments we like contacted, and they have asked me to like made it like little changes in my app, and I should like treat them as a client. So that is also in the pipeline. Because of this app, we got like few government clients also, like the government of the like I cannot name the country name, but like
It's okay.
there are four countries uh, where I think we will close the deal within 30 or 60 days maximum. So they will implement the entire app into their entire system. So if we are going to do that, we will be requiring a like big backup, big IT support,
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
that is also already with us. We have the team of like around 50 people with us. I am paying them since 2.5 years non-stop. That's why we could create so much things. Actually, we created few games as well,
Yeah,
but
I
like
saw
that was
that.
not
I saw that.
successful.
If you can talk
But that
about
was
it,
not
if it's possible.
successful. I
Yeah.
like we made Tambola, Ludo, and blah blah. The developer on the gaming zone was like on the higher side, but not even a single was the success story. So I do not want to mention that, because sometimes the idea hits, sometimes it doesn't hit. But you need to research and develop, research and develop, research and develop. And
Yes.
because of this research and development, finally we have at least four projects which are very productive. Family
Okay.
security app is there, exchange is there. Exchange is a mixture of like three different portals actually. One is P2P,
Okay.
that is a different portal, and the people, sorry, the exchanges who are giving this bank payment gateway, they have a different platform, different style of trading. And like the exchange for the pro trader, is Binance, Bitfinex, and there are only few options.
Okay.
So we have created a mixture of all. So you can have a taste of like pro trading also. You can put your bots as well. You can trade like P2P as well, but that will be like on the second update. And like this exchange will be a very unique exchange. This will like fulfill your all needs of crypto trading, you know.
Okay. So if I'm correct, your own exchange is TTNX, right?
TTX is our exchange.
So it's already developed and launched, right?
That was launched without payment gateway earlier. We had a like testing, you can say, or on this exchange more than 6 months, and once we see everything is fine, perfect, then we like contacted banks, and we got our payment gateway done. And now like from last 1 week, this is again on maintenance mode. Maybe day after tomorrow we'll be relaunching it again to the public. We have already like more than 1000 users with us. That is not a problem.
Excellent.
And all are KYC. And this is without any marketing. We haven't marketed yet. Only our personal like circle knows that we have opened our exchange, and we are asking, do not register there, please. Please wait and wait for some time, then register. Again, people are coming.
Any marketing soon for that?
From next Monday only, after 3 days.
A few days. Oh,
we are going to plan like our bank payment gateway trade as an activity. So there will be a timer, and the first payment gateway, bank payment gateway trade like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, like that only. I'm planning something like that. Perfect. And the person who will trade the first, who will deposit the first amount to the exchange, he'll get some reward or some price or something like this. And on trading, we are also coming up with a good competition where the first prize will be the Mercedes S-Class. Okay. So there are the developments which we are bringing to the system.
I see
that. With the trading competition, we will launch, and first prize is Mercedes S-Class, the most loving car in the world, most safest car in S-Class.
I wish you the best of luck and a lot of success with it. Because as I see from my point of view, you are in a big advantage compared to many other projects out there. Because through this platform, you not only boost your project, Titan projects, but also your coin. And I really congratulate you for that, and best of luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and stay safe, stay healthy in this COVID situation. Please take care of your health and your family as well.
Yeah. We are not done yet. We are not done yet.
Sorry? Is this finished, or like do you have some questions?
I still have 2 questions. Don't go.
Okay. Please carry on.
So I have a question in here that I will ask, and I have asked all my guests. As we are talking about crypto market, blockchain.
Okay.
What is your own personal opinion about blockchain and crypto, and why it is so important nowadays? Short. It's a few sentences.
See, this is the future. Everybody knows. This is the future. Future of the currency, actually. Like you can see fake currencies notes.
Yeah.
There are many. Black money. Yeah. Many. Like the biggest problem of the world. Blockchain is the solution only. No other solutions we have. So sooner or later, it will definitely, in my opinion, it will chase the fiat currencies, and the fiat currencies in the future will be lower than the cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies will be having more value, and Bitcoin has proved it.
Yeah, Bitcoin has proved it.
Yeah. That is the father of cryptocurrencies. That I have to accept this. Yeah. Even like the competition of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is Bitcoin. There are no two opinion about this, because that was the one who started the entire industry.
Yes.
He is the initiator and the founder of the crypto industry.
Right.
And I believe within few years, you will see like most of the transactions are like maybe more than 95% transactions worldwide are happening on the crypto only.
Yeah.
And the fiat currency will be used in the local market, and that was also lower side. And in the local market, if you go for like small towns, small villages, or like small to mid cities, you will see people will start accepting crypto in their showrooms, in their shops, or in their businesses. This is going to happen very soon. It will not
started
take.
already. It's recently started already. Like many big companies
Yes.
and also countries are trying to adapt it. But also, I have with this idea that big developments, it will take time for them to develop, and then when it comes, they really make a big.
That's why we like initiated the Titan exchange, because here we can convert the crypto into the fiat. So what is the fear? What is the fear of a shopkeeper? He can take crypto, no problem. But what is the fear? He is like not aware where he can encash his money in the real cash.
Yeah.
Understand? If I will bring some like next level, like already we have booked our domain Titan Pay, so we will come in the future with the Titan Pay application that will be installed in the normal user as well as in the shopkeeper's phone. They can scan and pay with any currency they want. For an example, right now we have Dashcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Titan Coin.
Yeah.
And one more coin is there in my exchange. We are 6-7 coins listed with us, and we are into like the planning to creating a next level Android and iOS app where we can associate vendors as well as the users.
Okay.
So we will launch it in the 3 countries initially: India, Nigeria, and Armenia. Once we will complete the developments, and the next target will be of the Asian countries where the crypto is legal, and the Europe, and then after USA. So sooner or later we are going to cover entire world. That there are no two opinion about that. But like I think maybe some of our competitor have already started working on that. Maybe we could launch it first, but it will depend. The time will tell actually.
I really look forward.
The winner will be the one who will like launch the things first, like Bitcoin. So if we are trying our best. Our men are working hard day and night. If we could deliver it, I think this will be again a revolutionary thing to the entire crypto industry, and that will be a kind of necessity of every crypto project to list their coins to TTNEX, because this is going to reach the masses.
Yeah.
There are type of customer. One is mass, another one is class. We are focusing on class as well as on the mass. Our main vision is of the acceptance. People must accept this. So once it will done, everything will run behind you. You need not to worry about anything. And as far as the money is concerned, that is like anything in crypto. Crypto is the thing which have made billionaires. Not millionaires, billionaires.
That's true. Ask you last questions about what is your advice and message that you would give us to our audience?
See, as the CEO of Titan Coin, I will advise them to have some quantity of Titan coins in their Android wallet first, as we are going to increase our use case like anything. This will rock, I know. And once it will be the will be the one of the basic requirement of a person to keep the Titan coin for their some urgent need. Then definitely price will hike, and at this point of time, as we haven't sold our pre-mine, so circulation is on very lower side. Maybe 100 million or something like this will be in the circulation entire market, because 800 millions were the pre-mine, and that is there on the first address till there. So once we will come with the post sale, this will be the post sale. Then circulation will increase, and definitely when circulation will increase, people will enjoy the profits as well, because more the acceptance, more the use case, more the price. Thamroot. And as we have the compulsory payment in our applications and exchange, that is compulsory to pay with the Titan coin only. And again, we are coming with some a burning program. Whatever we will take from the users as a fees in Titan coin, a certain percentage will be sent to a burner address. So it will reduce circulation and enhance pricing. So the same coin will not hit the market, and plan is to burn 10% to 25%, any percentage, but final decision has to be taken and that will be also shared with the public within 2 or 3 days. We are on the edge to make this final policy
Okay, best of
of
luck.
burning coins, because the lesser the supply, higher the price. And my vision is to take the price to that extent where no one have could have reached apart from Bitcoin only.
Okay.
So I want to compete it with Bitcoin, and I
Good
want to
luck.
beat that.
Good
Yeah,
luck.
thank you.
With brilliant ideas, with good teamwork, everything is
Yes,
possible. Everything is
we have,
possible.
yeah, it is only 3 years we have spent yet, and many years to go. Many things to do.
As far as you have the motivation, you have set your goals, and you have a great team that supports you, I think great ideas will come up and they will be real.
Yeah, definitely. And we have already delivered the things.
Yes,
So
that's the thing. This is the proof. This is
yes,
the proof.
yeah.
That's the proof. That's the
And
proof.
without any public support, this is the major important thing. And if now I need public support, they will be with me. I know, because at this point of time, everybody is looking for a place or a project where they think they can if they will invest, that will be a good investment. There are two type of investment. One is good investment, one is bad investment. People are coming with ICO, they give you some dream and they just collect money and disappear. This is what is happening actually. Most of the cases, if you'll take 2000 ICOs, you won't find 5 ICOs who are available in the market. Like the retention percentage is less than 3%. And this is a bad thing.
It's correct.
Now, but I believe scammer have entered into the system and they are playing with this. But that is not a good.
There is plenty of them in the market.
Yeah.
There is, unfortunately, they will exist.
And in this lockdown period, Corona period, they are hackers and scammers are very active.
Out there, so many.
Be aware. Be safe.
They use other things like situation for their own pockets, and this is bad. This is very bad.
Yeah, you have initiated, and I hope you will definitely lead this particular industry you are into.
Thank you very much.
Best of luck for you all.
Thanks a lot. So I would like to thank you again for being with me today, and I hope we talk again soon.
Definitely, anytime you will come up with another podcast.
I really enjoyed your talk. It was very insightful, very informative, and I'm pretty sure that when our listeners will listen to it, they will be very interested in your project.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and just stay safe in COVID. What I can say to your audience, just stay safe. He should be alive.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dinesh.
We can go for business later also.
Yeah.
At point of time, yes. So be safe.
Be safe, and best of luck to you and to your team.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too. Bye. Bye, Dinesh.